Today I'm reviewing this Gaggia Prestige Espresso coffee maker. This thing works so slick. Let's turn it on here. Takes just a moment to do its thing. It does a little rinse there. So anyways, up here where you put your coffee grounds, if you want a special small amount of grounds, you can put them in here with your little scooper. We got espresso, coffee, the strength, all these things. And if you want some special drinks, you can hit this button. You can do hot water is what I usually do, and then hot water comes out on this side right here. With this machine, let's back it up. It also comes with a carafe. So you can put this here and whatever, it'll slip in there. This will come out and you can steam milk into your coffee latte. And this is just a really amazing machine. And over here we have the side where you can do some more deep cleaning. We got the grounds here, we got the water here, and then you'll have to empty this drip tray every once in a while because that could overflow on you, but otherwise, absolutely amazing coffee machine.